Welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can revise your courses, that is second revision, meaning you've done the first one and you're revising it for the second time. We'll head to KUCCPS website. You will type KUCCPS .net. Then you'll be presented with the official page. You'll click read more, so that we go to the right page. Here will be shown as an announcement for the second revision. So for us to start this tutorial, we'll have to scroll down, and then down here we are saying that there is a file that we need to download. Click on that particular link. We also presented with this PDF format. This is what we will use to see if we qualify for the first application of our courses. So let's click on this. Click OK. Then there is your PDF file. You'll have to open it. So in this case, I'll have two scenarios that will help us to also understand how we can complete this process in shortest time possible, and also get the assistance and also fill those courses. In this case, if you have not qualified or didn't get a chance in the first application. So as you can see, this is the list of those who didn't qualify for the selection. Let's see one student here. I'll have to press Ctrl F, and then I'll be presented to this part here. I'll fill an index number. In this case, it will help us to see if this student qualified for East Coast. So let me feed it in. And then I press next. In this case, there are no matches found, meaning this index number doesn't exist in this list, meaning this student qualified for his or her course that he selected at the first place. Let's go to number 2, index number 2. Let me also feed it in. Now let's click enter. Give me a minute, I've missed one digit. So let me see, 28. Click. Let me see. Remember to put the correct index number. It seems I'm lacking one number here. So let's say your number is among the ones we have here, and you've not qualified for your course, what will be the next step that you need to take? In this case, we'll have also to go back to this website, scroll down to our student portal, then you need to log in this particular area here, then you also insert your details. In this case, I have mine, so let me do that. Give me a minute. There you are. So the next step will be to select, and in this case I'm sure you've selected the codes for various universities that you want to revise. So in this particular page you'll be also directed to this particular page here, that is a application and revision page. Down here you have the apply now button. We need to click on that. Then on this section, as you can see, already I've entered my new codes. Let's say we need to do away with the first one. Let's say 105 31 37. As you can see, it says the code doesn't exist, or the course doesn't exist. So in this case I stick to the first one that I had. So let me undo. In this case I'll have to refresh the page to retain what I had earlier. There it is. Then I submit the selection that I've done, and in this case, before we submit, make sure that you have gone through this particular code, and in this case respective universities written down there. So make sure that you have done your correction, you've gone through it, and you are satisfied that this is the list of universities that you want to use. After doing that, we need to verify that we've made the payment. So let me also do that. So let me insert the code that I used previously. That is an M-Pesa code, that is the transaction code. Almost done. Then I click submit, and it says successful. In that case, you've completed the revision. That is the second revision of your selection. In this case, you'll wait up to the end of the duration, that is in 7 days, and they'll be able to release the list of universities that you have qualified. Stay safe, stay at home.